In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer funds to the beneficiary in Karnataka Bank using mobile app. In the previous video, I have shown you how to add beneficiary. If you want, I will give the link in the description box. So to transfer the funds, open the KBL Mobile Plus app. Here is the app. Log into the app. Once you are logged into the mobile app, the user interface will look like this. To transfer funds, you need to click on fund transfer. Now it will give you a lot of options within bank, other bank. I am showing you how you can transfer from Karnataka Bank to other banks. Click on other bank, and after that it will give you a lot of options: IMPS, NEFT, MMID, RTGS. If it is below 5 lakhs, always select IMPS, it is fast. After selecting IMPS, select beneficiary. If you have added beneficiary already, it will give you the option to select the beneficiary. After selecting the beneficiary, it will give the beneficiary details. Check the details and enter the amount which you want to send. After entering the amount, click on proceed. If you are on Wi-Fi, it will give you a prompt. Click on OK. Now check the details once again. After checking the details, click on confirm. Now you will get a OTP. Enter the OTP and click on OK. Now you can see that amount has been deducted from your Karnataka Bank. Since we have selected IMPS, the fund transfer will be immediate. Here you can see the transaction ID and the details. So that's it guys. In this way you can transfer funds from Karnataka Bank to other banks using the mobile app. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.